When the universe ends, the final story of everything look around you, the stars in the night sky, the galaxies stretching beyond imagination, the planets, the light, the motion, the time, everything feels eternal. But here is the truth. The universe is not forever. One day, everything will end, not in an explosion, not in fire, but in silence. This is not science fiction. This is science. Tonight we will travel far beyond the limits of time, beyond stars, beyond life, beyond the future itself. We will witness the death of the universe. Before we talk about the end, we must understand the beginning. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything began with the Big Bang. No stars, no planets, no space, no time, just energy, then expansion. The universe began to grow, faster, wider, colder, particles formed, atoms followed. Gravity began its work. Slowly, the first stars ignited. Inside their cores, hydrogen burned into helium, and light was born. Galaxies formed, solar systems emerged, planets took shape, and on one small planet, life appeared. But from the very first second, the universe was already moving toward its end. The universe survives on energy. Stars shine because they burn fuel. Galaxies glow because stars are alive. But fuel is finite. Every star you see is dying, slowly. Our sun has already lived nearly half its life. In about 5 billion years, it will expand, swallow nearby planets, and fade into a white dwarf. Across the universe, stars are being born, but fewer than before. Star formation is slowing. One day, no new stars will be born. This era is called the end of the stellar age. The universe will grow darker. Stars die in different ways. Small stars fade quietly. Large stars explode violently. Supernovas tear space apart, scattering heavy elements, iron, gold, carbon. But even these explosions cannot stop time. Eventually, only dead stars remain. White dwarfs cool into black dwarfs. Neutron stars fall silent. Galaxies lose their light. The sky becomes black, not empty, just dark. This is the dark era. When stars die, their planets drift alone. Frozen worlds wander endlessly through space. No warmth, no light, no life. Earth, if it still exists, will be a frozen rock, oceans locked in ice, atmosphere gone, time meaningless, civilizations long forgotten, even memories disappear. Black holes, the last giants, only one force dominates: black holes. They consume everything: matter, light, even time. Entire galaxies spiral into them. Black holes merge, growing larger and more powerful. They become the last massive objects in existence. But here is the twist: black holes are not eternal. They slowly lose energy. Over unimaginable time, they evaporate. This process is called Hawking radiation. After trillions upon trillions of years, even black holes die. Now comes the final state: no stars, no planets, no black holes, only particles, spread thin across endless space. Temperature approaches absolute zero. No energy differences, no motion, no change. Time still exists, but nothing happens. This is called the heat death of the universe. A cold, dark, infinite stillness. Not destruction, but exhaustion. The universe doesn't explode, it simply stops. Some scientists propose other possibilities. The Big Crunch, where gravity reverses expansion and everything collapses back into a singularity. The Big Rip, where expansion accelerates so fast that atoms themselves are torn apart. Or something unknown, something beyond human understanding. Because the universe still holds mysteries, and the final chapter has not yet been written. So why does this matter? Because we are alive now, because consciousness exists now, because for a brief moment the universe is aware of itself, through us. Stars will die, galaxies will fade, time will stretch into nothingness. But right now, you are here, thinking, listening, wondering. and that may be the most powerful thing the universe ever created. Follow for more information about universal truths.